Don't jump. Don't jump. Think about
Bro,
your family.
that's a bird.
What? What? Sorry,
Bro,
1 second. Think about your family. Please, your chicks need you.
dude, that's a bird.
What? What are you saying?
That's a bird up there, bro. I don't.
Wow. Birds can't be depressed.
Well, okay, no, I didn't say that.
Okay. Yeah. Like, wow. God, okay. I don't even want to talk to you, piece of racist shit. So, I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna turn on right now. He's still gonna be up there, and I'm gonna help him down. 'Cause I'm a good guy. I help birds.